Hello guys, hello again. Welcome to my YouTube. Guys, there's a post on Musa Mseleku's Instagram page. I don't know who wrote that post, but it's on Musa Mseleku's Instagram page. It reads as follows. It says, from season 1, he was strong, gentleman, a leader whose word carried weight. When he spoke, they listened. When he led, they followed. But now, the respect, the unity, it's fading before our eyes. And he knows it. You can hear in his voice, see it in his eyes. This isn't Mseleku we met years ago. This is a man fighting to hold on even as everything slips away. Yo, guys, this is what is on Musa Mseleku's Instagram page. Guys, it's not nice. It's not nice. In this regard, Musa needs to go for therapy. That's what I'm thinking. He needs to go for therapy, sit down with somebody who's very neutral. Neutral. Speak to the person. Speak to the person. Open his heart. Say everything that is in his heart. And let's see if maybe the therapy will work. Maybe the person who is the therapist will speak sense to his head or make him see things in a different way, because it looks like the only way that he knows things, it's his way. No other way, only his way. And you know what breaks the heart is you build, take your time to build something, and it crashes in front of your eyes and you don't believe it. You do not believe it. You are in awe as well, as in what is happening. And it looks like he doesn't even understand why is everything coming down as an avalanche, you know? And he doesn't want to listen. That's a problem. And I don't think he should sit down with anybody that knows him. I don't think he should sit down with anybody from Zumbe or from the place where he comes from. He must just sit down with somebody who is very neutral, who will speak sense into his head, who will make him understand and make him see things in a different angle, because I don't see him getting better as an health wise, because whatever that happened during the Mqimbi Wakbong, it's something that embarrassed him. He will pretend as if he was not embarrassed, but absolutely he was embarrassed. And that is something that when you are alone and all alone, it will work on your nerves, it will work on your health, it will, take a toll on you. And even though when you are out there, you will pretend as if when now winces or you don't feel such things. Those things are nothing. It's a lie. When you are alone, those things come. Those things come like a ton of bricks in your mind, and you'll have to deal with them. And imagine going from this house to visit a wife. It's cold. Going to the next one, it's cold. Going to the next one is cold. The only person who can even smile with him at this point in time is Umakele, and the other wives, they don't even give a hoot. They don't even want to know. And they've got this thing, see, we are Gula, and he's the one who brought that upon himself. So just imagine, nobody's sympathizing with him. And stroke is not a child's play. Stroke needs love, somebody that will love you, somebody that will massage you, somebody that will calm your mind, somebody who will be very, 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 very soft with you. And these ladies, they don't even buy it. They are like, you know what, we as Joela, and they don't even feel any sympathy for him now that he's sick. So to be honest enough, Umusa needs just to go away. Just to go away. go somewhere where he will be with nature, therapist, pampered, things like that. Maybe when he comes back, his mind will be in a different, page or something. I don't know. So that's my take on that, guys. That's my take. That's what I'm really, really, really strongly feeling about this. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the other video. Bye.